Well, in that exclusive interview to Times Now, Narendra Modi did not miss out the opportunity to clarify his position on foreign affairs. Taking a stand on Pakistan, BJP's PM nominee said the talks with the neighbouring country should proceed only after bringing an end to the bombardments and gunshots.
तो बातचीत के लिए सुनाई दे इतनी आवाज के लिए तो बम बंदूक धमाके बंद होने चाहिए.
For the first time ever, Narendra Modi making his intentions clear to Pakistan.
देश की सरकार मजबूत होगी तो समस्याओं का समाधान अपने आप शुरू होगा.
While certain voices from Pakistan remain hopeful over bilateral relations with the Modi government at the centre, the BJP's prime ministerial nominee is in direct dig at the incumbent UPA government, triggering a strong reaction from the Commerce Minister.
Do you have to be a wrestler or a boxer or 56 inches chest? Do you have to be badly spoken, a loud mouth or a motor mouth? Or do you have to be strong in your convictions, strong in your understanding and comprehension? Shall I remind Narendra Modi that India was attacked in Kargil when BJP NDA was in power? Where was their strong leadership then?
When asked on the subject of nabbing 1993 blasts accused Dawood Ibrahim, Narendra Modi choosing to remain cautious while heading out at the Home Minister.
मैंने कहा ये ओबामा ने कोई प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करके ऑपरेशन किया क्या? तो मैंने कहा मैं चुनाव के समय ऐसी बयानबाजी ये होम मिनिस्टर को शोभा नहीं देती. मेरा इतना ही जवाब है. मैं उस व्यक्ति के लिए नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, नहीं मुझे टाइम खराब करना चाहिए. गवर्नमेंट मशीनरी है, अपना काम करेगी.
But Modi's reference to the United States' approach towards Osama bin Laden when asked about Dawood Ibrahim did not sit well with leaders from Pakistan. Clearly, Narendra Modi ruffling a few feathers on the subject of Pakistan, as the comment could bear an impact on the geostrategic affairs if Modi-led BJP comes to power. Bureau Report, Times Now.